Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the PHP with the React and what are actually like main differences between these two. I prepared like this few like points for you to be quick and effective. So the React is a front-end development, building dynamic user interfaces and single-page applications, and PHP is a back-end development, server-side processing, and creating dynamic web pages. Now, the architecture, React is a component-based, promoting modular code and reusability, but PHP is monolithic, which can become challenging and to maintain edge project growth. Performance, React is a fast rendering with virtual DOM suitable for complex interactions, but PHP is generally slower for also rendering user interface comparing to React.js. React.js moderates to steep, requires understanding JavaScript, JSX, and component-based architecture, and PHP is relatively easy. Many developers are already familiar with PHP. The React.js is a large and active community, and PHP got also well-established community. Scalability, high scalability for large-scale applications. PHP got moderate scalability based for content-heavy and data-driven applications. Now, the mobile compatibility is React.js is excellent. React Native enables mobile app development. PHP is limited for mobile development. Ease to maintenance is a high. Modular code structure simplifies updates and debugging. And PHP can be challenging. Monolithic code base may become tangled as project grows. Integration, so it requires additional libraries of frameworks, GraphQL, REST APIs, and PHP built-in support for database interactions, especially with MySQL. And now when you're going to go even further for the e-commerce and CMS, so requires additional frameworks, tools to building e-commerce platforms, and PHP is well suited for e-commerce platforms like WordPress, Magento. Now the server-side functionality, so React.js requires a separate server-side language for full functionality, and PHP comprehensive server-side functionality. Security depends on the implementation. React itself does not handle security, and PHP got well-established security practices. Just want to make this like a really quick versus this video, and I don't know how to do it in a better way than just showing you like this what are the differences between the React and PHP. I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.